On March 27, 1977, aviation history witnessed its deadliest accident, not in the sky, but on the ground. At Los Rodeos Airport on the Spanish island of Tenerife, two Boeing 747 jumbo jets were about to change aviation forever. KLM Flight 4805 and Pan Am Flight 1736 were both diverted to this small airport due to a bomb threat at their original destination. The airport was overcrowded, stressed, and unprepared for such large aircraft. Thick fog began rolling across the runway, drastically reducing visibility. Pilots could no longer see each other, and even the control tower struggled to monitor aircraft movements. Pan Am Flight 1736 was instructed to taxi along the runway and exit at a specific point. However, due to poor visibility and confusing instructions, the aircraft missed the exit and continued moving forward. At the same time, KLM Flight 4805 lined up at the end of the same runway. The captain believed he had received clearance for takeoff. In reality, the clearance was never fully given. Radio communication became the silent killer. Phrases were misunderstood. Words overlapped. Assumptions replaced confirmations. Without visual contact and under intense pressure, the KLM aircraft began accelerating down the runway. Moments later, through the fog, the Pan Am jet suddenly appeared. There was no time to stop. The two massive aircraft collided at full speed, triggering a massive explosion and fireball. The KLM plane was completely destroyed, killing everyone on board. On the Pan Am aircraft, only a few passengers managed to escape through the burning wreckage. In total, 583 people lost their lives, making this the deadliest accident in aviation history. Investigations later revealed that there was no mechanical failure, no sabotage, no weather anomaly beyond fog. The disaster was caused by human error, miscommunication, and unclear phraseology. As a result of the Tenerife tragedy, aviation communication standards were rewritten. Clear, standardized phrases became mandatory. Crew resource management training was introduced worldwide, ensuring that no single pilot's decision would go unquestioned again. The Tenerife Airport disaster stands as a powerful reminder that even the most advanced aircraft are vulnerable to human misunderstanding. It wasn't just a collision of planes. It was a collision of assumptions. And its lessons continue to save lives every day.